Today, we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Samsung has officially confirmed the Exynos 2500 chip for the first time, and it's shaping up to be a game changer. Let's dive into all the details about this new chip and what it means for the Galaxy S25 lineup. Samsung recently held its Q2 2024 earnings call, where they made a significant announcement: the Exynos 2500 chip. This is Samsung's second 3-in chip, following the Exynos W1000, which was announced earlier this month. The Exynos 2500 is designed using Samsung's second-generation GA gate-all-around process, promising better performance and efficiency. Samsung's System LSI business, which designs camera sensors and smartphone processors, is working hard to ensure a stable supply of this chip for its flagship products. Samsung is expected to use the Exynos 2500 chip in the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus models in most markets. However, in Chinese and some North American markets, including the USA, the Galaxy S25 might feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip instead. This dual-chip strategy isn't new for Samsung, as they have often released devices with different processors depending on the region. For the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung might go with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 exclusively. This approach allows Samsung to tailor the device's performance and features according to market needs, offering the best experience possible for users in different regions. While Samsung hasn't revealed all the specifications of the Exynos 2500, leaked reports give us a glimpse into what we can expect. The chip is rumored to feature a 10-core CPU, including one Cortex-X5 core clocked at 3.2 GHz for high-performance tasks, 3 Cortex-A730 cores running at 2.3 to 2.5 GHz for balanced performance, 2 Cortex-A730 cores clocked slightly lower, likely for energy efficiency, 4 Cortex-A520 cores for handling less demanding tasks. On the GPU side, the Exynos 2500 is expected to come with Samsung's own Xclipse 950 GPU, based on AMD's RDNA 3 architecture. This partnership with AMD could bring significant improvements in graphics performance, making the Galaxy S25 series a powerhouse for gaming and multimedia. One of the most talked about aspects of the Exynos 2500 is its potential power efficiency. Historically, Samsung's Exynos chips have struggled to match the power efficiency of Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips, particularly in terms of battery life and thermal management. However, rumors suggest that the Exynos 2500 might finally bridge this gap. If true, this could be a major win for Samsung, making the Galaxy S25 series highly competitive in the market. So what does this all mean for you as a consumer? If you're in a market that gets the Exynos 2500 powered Galaxy S25 or S25 Plus, you can expect a device with cutting-edge technology and improved efficiency. Exynos 2500 chip. Do you think it will match up to the Snapdragon competition? Let me know in the comments section below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25 complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.